Log in to the EazyGo business portal at www.easygo.live using any web browser. Simply enter your phone number and the OTP you received on WhatsApp. After logging in, you'll see the screen offering your free trial along with a list of all the benefits you'll receive. To continue, click the Get Started button. Note, no payment method is required to sign up, and your free trial will begin immediately, within just 2 minutes after signing up. Next, fill in your business details to activate the trial. Upload your business logo in either PNG or JPG format to personalize your reports. Please ensure that you are the owner or an authorized representative of the business for which you're creating this account. Once you've filled in all details, you will instantly access your active dashboard. You can start using the platform right away by uploading studies and sharing them with patients, doctors, and other users on the platform. You can create unlimited users who will be able to view, upload, or report studies, depending on the roles you assign them. For more details on how to create users, check out our dedicated video linked below in the description.